Imagine sinking into 58 invigorating jets, feeling all your stress melt away. The new Obsidian Shell Victoria Beach V Hot Tub is now in stock. With 1 luxurious lounger and 5 spacious seats, there's room for everyone to unwind. The Balboa TP500 control panel makes it easy to customize your perfect spa experience. But that's not all. The enchanting ambience created by 22 radiant LEDs, 4 captivating fountains, and a 10-inch waterfall will transport you to another world. Plus, the powerful 3-kilowatt heater ensures you stay cozy all year round, efficiently powered by a 32 AMP supply. We've even included a chemical tablet dispenser pod, free steps, insulating hot tub cover, and a filter. And yes, free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. You can explore finance options of 0% or 4.9% APR on our website, making the Victoria Beach 5 more accessible than ever. Transform your backyard with the Victoria Beach V Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa. Luxury and relaxation at its finest.